talking about directions when doing an audition. So I think you right into it. You already know you came here for something good. So first things first, when you're doing auditions, you want to make sure you are following directions. If they ask you for a single turn, you give them a single. You don't give them a double. You don't give them a triple pirouette. You do not do that. Follow directions. Rule number 2 is remembering counts. So keep your counts in line. If you do not remember the step, remember certain parts come at certain counts. So it's best to remember. When I do auditions, I remember the first 8 and the last 8 count. That's very important to get. If you don't get anything else, you get the first 8 counts, you get the last 8 counts. But it is very important that you mark your counts with the movement, that you will recall that this is what comes next, because they're gonna be like, oh, this is how she started and this is how she ended. Number 3, if the count doesn't start immediately in the music, be prepared to freestyle. So it's very important, the directions that they give you. If they tell you to freestyle in the beginning, you freestyle according to how the music makes you feel. So movement is very important. So follow directions when they tell you to go ahead and freestyle, do the right movements. If they give you a single pirouette to do, go ahead and you do that pirouette. Do not add extra stuff unless they tell you you're allowed to improv, okay? So go ahead. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Ma prévé j'ai calé, m'a déparlé, m'a fantasmé. Priez, mon Dieu, bon Dieu, pour être carré.